how to enable the download option for videos. Hi everyone, my name is Saad, and in this video we are going to see a quick fix on, let's say you have received a video or you have sent this video to yourself, and if you click on this arrow right here, you can't see any download option. Neither it is shown when you open this. So we will see a quick fix for that, and without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So guys, all you have to do is just notice that if your video size is more than 1 minute, so it's a couple of minutes here, so you have to wait for some time because it takes some time to load this video properly, and then only you will see this download option. You have to refresh a couple of times to see this. So right now the time is 3:53 in my clock. So let's wait and try it on, let's say 4 p.m. So now it's 4 p.m. Let's try again. So if you go again and it's still unable to show you download option, we can try a couple of other solutions for that. Now the other thing that you can do is just check your internet speed, if your internet is working fine or not. So just go to Google and make here speed test and just check the speed. So my internet is working pretty good, so the problem might not be that. Just close this. So what you can do is just make sure that your mobile timings and the laptop timings should match. Otherwise it will not allow you to download or show you the download option here. So that's a pretty simple settings. You can do it on your own. So let's move forward. Now what you can do is just try to clear the cookies, and that should solve the problem. Just click on the 3 dashes right here. If you're using the Brave browser, the Chrome browser has approximately the same options. Just go to the settings here, and from here we will click on this privacy and security and click on delete the browsing data. So just uncheck all of others if you like, or you can clear the cookies of all times, or you can also try the last 24 hours. Now let's click on delete the data from here. Just make sure and confirm if you want to delete that. And after that, you can just refresh it, the web WhatsApp, and it will take you out of the WhatsApp and you need to log in again. So let me just quickly log in again. And as we can see that we have logged in again, let's try this. Go to the to-do list, and from here we have this link right here. And after some time, if you notice, you can just refresh it once or twice, and it will show you this option. As you can see here that now the download option is working. So you have to wait after some time when you clear the cookies, and even if you log in again using the QR code, you might be confused that still it is not showing, but after some time it is showing. As you can see here that when I open this video, I get the download option here, and when you see here, I can get the download option here as well. So I have did it live. So if you're having any problem with this, so what you can do is just click on this dot right here. I did it as well. So just click here and it will open a new window. Just close that, and after that you might get this download option. So here is a quick tip on how you can do this. I hope this works for you as well. Just mention in the comment if that works, so that it can help out all the viewers out there. And with this said, this is our signing off from today's video. Take care.